Welcome to 717 Augusta National Drive, located in Harlingen, Texas. What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me once again for another property tour. Today, we're looking at this modern 3-bed, 2.5-bathroom home with a list price of $499,999. Our first stop of the tour is one of your 3 bedrooms with a nice little closet built out. Right across the hall is your laundry room with connects for both your washer and dryer. And here's a quick peek at the 2-car garage. Moving on, we'll find the first of the 2 full bathrooms. It is shared by the 2 downstairs bedrooms. Downstairs bedroom number 2 not only has 2 entrances, but is larger than the first bedroom we just saw. Here's a quick peek at the half bath with an outdoor access. We're now making our way to the kitchen. This kitchen has a booth feature built into the island, a dining area, and conveying appliances, including an industrial-sized fridge. As we make our way up the stairs, you'll find a loft to your right, illuminated with plenty of natural lighting. Enjoy your golf course waterfront view from your 2nd floor balcony that connects to your primary bedroom. Primary bedroom includes a recessed ceiling with beautiful ambient lighting. Entering your primary bathroom, you'll find a double vanity sink, LED makeup mirror, 3 rainfall shower heads, private commode, and a walk-in closet. Thank you guys for joining me on this property tour. Until next time, and as always, God bless. If you guys want to stay up to date with me, please follow me on socials. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at realtor Lopez. And I'm also now on Twitter/X at Matthew1Lopez.